Getting views on YouTube feels exciting. You see numbers going up, likes coming in, and comments appearing. But many creators face one big frustration. They get views but no sales, no leads, no money, nothing. This happens because views alone do not create income, but strategy does. In this video, I will show you how to turn YouTube views into real sales in a simple and beginner friendly way, even if your channel is still small. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and online businesses so anyone can grow step by step. If you want to learn practical ways to earn online using content and tools, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the description whenever I share the tools or platforms because using the link there helps you to get any available benefit. Now let's understand the main idea. YouTube is not just a video platform. It is a trust platform. People watch videos for help, learning, and solutions. When someone watches your video for 5 or 10 minutes, they already trust you more than a random website or ad. Your job is to guide that trust in the right direction. The first mistake many creators make is creating content without a clear goal. If your video only gives information but does not lead anywhere, people will leave and forget. Every video should answer one question in your mind. What should the viewer do next after watching this video? Before we sell anything, we must know who is watching your channel. You cannot sell to everyone. A channel that talks to everyone ends up selling to no one. Your content should focus on one type of audience with one main problem. When your message is clear, your sales become easier. Now let's talk about the most important part, the offer. You don't turn views into sales by asking people to buy randomly. You turn views into sales by offering something useful that solves a specific problem. This could be a digital product, a service, a course, a template, a tool, or even a free resources that leads to the paid products later. Your video content should naturally connect to your offer. For example, if your video is about growing online, your offer should help people who want to grow online faster or easier. When the content and offer match, selling feels natural, not forced. Another key point is how you talk about your offer. Many beginners are scared to mention selling because they think viewers will leave. But the truth is, people want solutions. If you clearly explain how something can help them, they appreciate it. You don't need to sound like a salesman. Just explain it like you are helping a friend. Your call to action matters a lot. At the end of your video, don't just say thank you for watching or this kind of. Tell people exactly what to do next. Guide them clearly. For example, tell them to check the description or check the link or download something that is helpful. Simple and clear instructions always work best. Your video description is also very important. Many creators ignore it, but smart creators use it like a silent salesperson. Your description should clearly explain what the viewer will get if they check the link from your description. Avoid confusion and keep it simple and focused. Now let's talk about the trust. People don't buy from channels they don't trust. Trust is built by consistency. When you post regularly and talk about the same topic again and again, people start seeing you as an authority. They feel comfortable buying from you because they see you often. Another way to build trust is by being honest. Don't promise the unrealistic results. Share the real experiences, simple explanations, and practical advice. Even small examples or stories makes your content more believable. Comments also play a big role. When viewers comment and you reply, it creates the connection. The connection increases the trust. Sometimes sales happen just because someone feels noticed and respected. One important thing to remember is the patience. Not every video will generate sales immediately. Some videos work like long-term assets. A video you upload today that can bring sales months later. YouTube works slowly but strongly. So to make it simple, turning YouTube views into sales is about clarity, trust, and direction. You guide the viewer from learning to action. You help first, then offer a solution. You stay consistent and patient. If you do this correctly, even a small channel can generate real income. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, share it with someone who is struggling to monetize their YouTube views. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.